For Rain Come Wet Me, you'll need 4 notes. High D, which is second finger, no thumb. B, thumb 1. A, thumb 1, 2. And G, thumb 1, 2, 3. On Rain Come Wet Me, the first note is a high D, which is on the 4th line, stem going down. You have a B, which is on the 3rd line, stem going down. And you have an A, which is on the 2nd space, stem going up. And G, 2nd line, stem going up. Let's read the notes. 1, 2, read the notes and sing. D, B, A, G, D, B, A, G, D, B, D, D, B, D, D, B, A, G. Notice the rhythm is faster on this measure. D, B, D, D, B, D. Now let's try playing it. Rest, 2, ready, and play.